Hey friends, Terry Brown here with Sprads Rv in Reno, Nevada. I'm here to show you the all-new Rpod 180 travel trailer by ForestRiver RV. I want to start off with a couple cool exterior features. This has the optional removable outside kitchen. So you have a 2-burner stove top, you have a sink with outside water, removable sink. And let's say you guys don't want it and you guys want some extra storage. You unlatch it and it comes right out, and you have a nice huge storage right underneath here. You have the front curvatured front window to give you a lot of natural sunlight on the interior of the trailer. You have a powered front hitch tongue jack, a very large Thule box awning with LED light strip, and being that this is the Hood River edition, you're going to get 15-inch off-road wheels and tires lifted and raised on a torsion axle suspension system. That's a couple cool unique features of the Rpod 180 travel trailer by ForestRiver RV. Let's go inside and check out what it has. Hey friends, Terry Brown here with Sprads Rv in Reno, Nevada. I'm inside the all-new Rpod 180 travel trailer by ForestRiver RV. This is an amazing smaller travel trailer, lightweight, has a side seat, tons of space. I'm not the tallest person in the world, but I'm not touching either side of the walls. This also features a full kitchen, so you have a 3-way European style refrigerator, and I said 3-way, so that means 12-volt battery operation, 120-volt regular electric, and propane. So what that gives you the ability to do with this refrigerator is going down the road traveling, you can actually run this thing completely safe on 12-volt battery operation and not have to have an open flame or pilot lid or anything like that. It's going to run off the battery. And at Sprads Rv, we equip all of our Rpods with factory solar. So this thing going down the road is going to be charging the batteries, going down the road. The refrigerator uses some of that 12-volt, and you're going down the road completely safe, and your refrigerator is fully operating at its full potential. You even have a big stainless steel safe here. You have tons of drawers and doors, full extension metal ball bearing, solid wood doors. Any doors that open left and right, this is kind of unique in Rpods, is that they have residential hinges. So that's no hinges. You see the screw, it's screwed to the seal here. It's all residential hidden hinges. Not to mention in the back of this guy, you have a huge wardrobe with adjustable shelving, 2 more drawers, and you have a full-on dry bathroom back here. Nice big shower. You have a little cubby hole, little pocket storages, toilet, everything. You have the max fan right above us. These are a lot of cool, amazing little features. This thing only weighs just over 3,100 pounds. That's a lot of trailer for not amount of weight here. So folks, come on down to Sprads Rv, ask for myself or one of our friendliest sales associates. We'd love to show you the amazing Rpod 180 travel trailer by ForestRiver RV and get you guys out camping. Love to see you guys then.